So this is my mechanical keyboard. I'm very much excited. So let's do the awesome unboxing. Click that like button. Smash that bell icon. Yeah. If you hate me, please do not smash that bell icon and please do not click subscribe because I know you hate me. You hate me. So finally I bought a mechanical keyboard. Why? I will be telling you just in a while. Why did I bought? Okay, let me do the unboxing and take out my mechanical keyboard. So this is the unboxing. I don't know, I pay like around how much, 70 bucks, 80 US dollars, someone like that. I will put the link. So this keyboard come in like many rebranded version. So this one is the Magic Refiner. The good thing is that it have the up and down key, especially for gaming. A lot of mechanical compact keyboard do not have, and it have two knob. I don't know what is the purpose of the knob. So yeah, let me show. Oh yeah, ooh, I like this. I like this color. Let's see which color I got. I forgot the color I ordered. So is there any? So Magic Refiner RGB, Magic Refiner mechanical gaming keyboard. This is the blue switches. Okay. Everything in Chinese. Okay. First, okay, I just get a cable and a cap switcher. The cable is USB-C, micro USB. What type is that? What type is that? Why did I get micro USB when it should be USB-C? So yeah, let's put the box aside. Yeah, we don't want the box. Okay. Sadly, it uses the micro USB. I'm quite unhappy. So I'm going to do a review also. Okay. Let's turn on. With the goodness of heaven, to turn on. I don't know how to turn on. How to turn on? Can you tell me? Okay. Something. It's not turning on. I mean, I want to turn on. Can anyone tell me how to turn on? Okay, yeah, from back there's an on and turn on button. So finally it's turned on. So I'm going to use it with my iPad. So this is just going to be unboxing. Just wait, let me take my iPad 2020. So yeah, here is my iPad. So just wait. Let's connect it with the iPad and see. Okay. Come on, you face stupid ID. Come on, face ID. Yeah. So I was just reading on news on okay. That's all. No thing. Okay, anything bad. So let's go to Bluetooth. Bluetooth is on. Let me press. I wanna connect, right? Can we do it again? Okay. It's not showing up. I don't know why. Come on, let's see the stupid manual inside. I'm a little bit disappointed. Why it's not in English? I mean, are they stupid or what? They have an English name without the manual in English. I mean, this is wrong, man. I pay like I don't know how many, 70-80 bucks, and I got a Chinese manual. What the f is that? So how the goodness of having it to connect? So like G1. I wanna connect. Okay, come on. It's not showing up. The overall the feel is quite good. Yeah, I like the knob. I just wanna connect. I don't know how to connect. This thing making me mad. Okay, maybe this one, something like this. or just hold the button. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Or this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2. I don't know why it's not working. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, I think now can we connect? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Finally, yeah. First we need to put on the Bluetooth and press this button, and it's connected, I think so. Let's see. Let's open Grammarly. Okay, just 1 minute. Let me connect with my hotspot. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's type something. Why it's not working? Let me go to Bluetooth. It's connected already. So yeah, the knob you can use for the volume, but keys are not working. Why? So I can use the knob for the volume. As you can see, I can use the knob. Oh, okay, now it's working. I need to press the lock button. I'm sorry. Let's do the speed test. Okay, let's do the typing test, and I'm gonna show you the score. Okay, overall it's quite good, but I will give you my in-depth review later on, not now. Okay, let's start. Come on. So I get, like, you can see, yeah. So overall is quite pleased. I like the volume knob. So overall is a quite good keyboard. I have no complaint. So yeah, subscribe and bye.